Good evening, runners. Welcome. And today we are going to look at advanced financial management, and the topic is capital budgeting. And today we are going to look at a subtopic known as annual equivalent model. Under this, the first step you need to know is how to calculate the net present value. And from our previous lessons, we had looked at the net present value, whereby we said that for us to get the net present value is always given by the present value of cash inflow, then you subtract the present value of cash outflow. So once you get the NPV, for us to, under this model, for us, we will be taking the NPV, then we divide by the present value interest factor of annuity. So therefore, for us to get the annual equivalent cost, it's very simple. In this case, you will be taking the NPV, then you divide by the annuity factor, what we call the present value interest factor of annuity. Then R percent, then N is the number of period. And remember from our previous lessons, we had illustrated and said that for us to get the present value interest factor of annuity, R percent N is always given by, you'll be taking 1 minus 1 plus R, then you raise to negative N, then you divide by R. This is how, in our case, you get the annuity factor. So therefore, once you get the annuity factor, for you to get the annual equivalent cost, you will be taking the NPV computed, then you divide by the present value interest factor annuity. So therefore, in this case, it is as simple as the formula states, and I would like us to look at illustration, and from the illustration you will see how this model is very simple for us. So the illustration that we will be looking at today is from the previous settings, and this is the setting of December 2024, question number 1C. So the illustration will come from the December 2024. This is the advanced level.